Hey fellow crafters and HeroQuest fans! Get ready for a groundbreaking way to build dungeons in 3D. The Fusion Tile system is here to take your game to the next level. In this series, we dive into creating the Trial, one of the HeroQuest classic quests, reimagined in 3D, room by room. And here's the game changer. With the Fusion Tile system, you can craft a fully modular dungeon with stunning interlocking tiles made from MDF, sandwiched between two layers of XPS foam. This means each tile locks perfectly into place, creating a solid, seamless and customizable setup that holds up even during the most intense gameplay. Build any dungeon room by room in your own unique layout. This MDF core not only keeps it sturdy, but also adds a realistic weight to each piece. Whether you're running HeroQuest or a homebrew dungeon, the Fusion tiles adapt beautifully.